Hi, this is Jake with Optimus Futures, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to create and customize a layout which in turn can be saved and applied to future charts that are opened on the IG trading platform. Now, before I do begin, I would like to mention that if you have seen our videos and you are interested in trying out the IG trading platform, or you're just looking for something new, feel free to follow the card that is currently populating on the top of your YouTube video, or feel free to follow the description down below. There is a link provided which will take you directly to the demo sign up page for the IG trading platform. So like I said, this video will be focusing on how to create a customized layout and then how to save and reapply that layout to future charts that are opened on this platform. And it's worth mentioning that these layouts can be applied to charts that do have a different instrument open on them that was different from the original instrument that it was created for. So rather than explain it further, let's dive right into it and I'll show you exactly what I mean. First up, we'll go to the All FX Pairs submenu over here to the side, and we'll open up a chart for the British pound versus US dollar. I'll be adding it to my workspace and increasing it to a full size screen just to make it a bit easier to view. So as you can see, we do have the customizable options up here in the top left hand corner, and many of these icon settings will carry over when you do create your workspace. I would like to mention that drawings do not carry over, so if you are planning on creating some customizable drawings for yourself and applying them to your chart, this will not carry over in a chart layout, so it's worth keeping that in mind. What will carry over is your time interval, your date range, and then your indicators that you do have applied to your chart. So if you do have a specific method for trading, which does involve a specific time frame, a date range, and indicators, this method will be for you. So currently we do have our chart applied to 5 minutes. Our date range is at 1 day. Let's just change that back real quick. And then we will apply a couple of different indicators here. So for our method, let's say we need to utilize Bollinger Bands, the MACD, which as you can see opens up the little sub panel down here in the bottom, and then we'll open up a weighted moving average. You can see the VWAP lines down here. So now that we have our indicators applied and this is utilized in our method, let's say for example down the line we may need to open up a chart with the euro versus the US dollar, and we do need these same indicators applied to them as well. A useful resource for us to utilize is the layouts. So we can access this by simply right-clicking anywhere within our chart, heading down to layouts and clicking save as. You can name this whatever you like. I'll name this our method, since again we are utilizing this method across multiple instruments, and then we can click save. Now once saved, we can reapply the time frame and the date range as well as our indicators to any chart that we open up in the future. Now I would like to mention that if we do close this out and open up another chart, the very next chart that you do open up will have those same indicators applied, which is nice because it does carry over. What we tend to see though, that many traders, when they do open up their next chart, they want to start with either a clean slate or whatever the case may be. You may want to remove some of those indicators anyway. So for whatever reason, if your indicators are removed, your time frame was changed, whatever the case may be, let's say for example, you do start with a clean slate on the chart here. You open it up in a different workspace. At any time, we can go back to our layouts now, click apply. As you can see, we have our method. Clicking apply automatically changes that time frame there, our time interval. And as you can see, it automatically applies those 3 indicators that we did enter onto our chart. So again, this can be useful in many different scenarios. As you did see, if we did close out this chart and then reopen a chart with a different instrument, the platform does carry over those indicators initially. But this is useful for those traders that may utilize different indicators on specific instruments. On some instruments, they may not use an indicator at all. There's just a ton of different scenarios where this could come in helpful. It's not absolutely necessary, but it is very convenient and something to keep in mind when you do utilize these different time intervals and you utilize multiple indicators across different instruments that you do trade. That just about wraps it up for this video. We hope you found it helpful. If you did, feel free to subscribe for further IG trading platform videos. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Any comments, questions, or concerns, you can put them down in the comment section below. And again, if you have seen our other videos and you feel like you would like to try out this platform, or you're just looking for something new to spice it up, feel free to follow the card that is on the top of your YouTube video right now, and check out the description below for a link to take you directly to the demo sign up page to the IG trading platform demo sign up. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this helpful.